Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off vanish mode on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application and click on the messenger icon on the top right. From here you need to select conversation and where you can turn on the vanish mode. So here you can see that how you can turn off. You simply need to swipe up and after that your vanish mode will be turned off. And the other method is you simply need to click on the person name, click on privacy and safety. Here you can see vanish mode seen messages will disappear when you close the chat. So you simply need to click here and let me show you now vanish mode is turned off. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.